If you saw my previous video, I did an unboxing of the Gartt Swamp Dawg. It's an RC airboat. Been looking at one for a while. But anyways, I'm glad I did the video because when I did the unboxing, realized there were some important pieces missing. I was missing the prop and the prop nut and so on and so forth. So I got a hold of the manufacturer off of eBay, and they responded back to me in less than 24 hours, apologizing, we're sorry for the inconvenience, we'll get them shipped right out to you. So, I really appreciate that and their quick response. That was a couple of days ago, so it's going to be a couple of weeks before I get the part in. But anyways, started doing a little research. The propeller has proprietary parts that match to a proprietary motor that attached to a proprietary type mount on the airboat, which means I'm stuck with using that prop, that motor, that mount. Well, if this goes out of production, which I think it is, or is going to go out of production soon, I'm stuck without a motor with a boat, or a boat without a motor, excuse me. So looking on Thingiverse, their 3D printing website, I found this mount that you can print out. It attaches to the airboat in the same mounts as before, but this one lets you use a 2205 style outrunner motor. An outrunner motor is basically a drone motor. So, my fiance recently got a Sculpto 2 3D printer from Joann's fabric store. Originally, it was like $500, and she paid $100 for this thing. And for $100, it's very very nice printer. It's not the biggest printer, but for user friendly, it's super easy. You set up your Z-axis, calibrate it, clean out the build plate, put your filament in it, and print. It prints right off of Thingiverse. It's all Wi-Fi. There's no SD cards. There's no USB cables to worry about. It's very user friendly. Now this is the second print that we had off this machine. No adjustments, no fine tuning or anything. And you can see here, this is the mount that I found as I'm pulling it off the build plate here. It has a flexible build plate. For what it is and for no adjustments, I think it turned out really well. I think this is going to be pretty handy because once this motor goes out, and it's going to go out, it's a motor, I'll be able to use any style motor that's a 2205 style and then adapt props to it in any style I need. They make adapters for them. So this is me pulling off the raft, and the raft is what basically sets your first layer, makes it smooth, attaches to the build plate, so on and so forth. So I think this is going to turn out really well. I'm going to use this after I basically build it stock and play with it until it either gives up or I get tired of it and want to use a little better motor. I think it's going to work out well. I've heard, saw some people say, "Oh, it's not strong enough." I've played around with it, and I think it's going to be strong enough, but only time will tell. This is a PLA. I'm not sure how strong it will be over time, but I think it was a pretty little fun print to do. And being my first print and the second print on that said printer, they're going to turn out pretty well. And I'm going to leave a link in the description to this mount, so if you want to print it for yourself, you'll know where to go. But anyways, I appreciate y'all watching, and y'all look forward to the build of the Swamp Dawg Airboat. It's coming up soon. Appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you next time.